Okay, I'm gonna show you how to add a belt to your avatar using curves instead of having to sculpt or use proportional editing. Using a curve will be a lot cleaner. You won't have any clipping mesh parts at all. You'll have a lot more control over just putting on your avatar. So all you have to do is, once you import all the belts, you're gonna take the flat belt I have right here. I'm going to add curve, path, make sure the origin is zeroed out. I'm gonna go edit mode on the curve, scale it down a little bit to about the width of the waistline of the pants that you'll be putting this on. Take the two ends, bring them up, you can scale them, bring them in a little bit, take these to the side, hit A, right click, subdivide. The more vertices you have on your curve, the more control you have over the shape of the belt, basically. I'm gonna adjust these a little bit. Once you kind of get like a rounded shape, and like this, that's kind of close. You're gonna go back to object mode, click on the belt, go to your modifiers, add modifier, deform, you're gonna add a curve modifier. You're going to select the curve object as the path, and now you can see that the belt is following the path. Looks like this is backwards, so we're going to rotate it on the x-axis by 180 degrees. Okay, there we go, that looks right. And just move it over a little bit to slide it about there. Go back to editing our curve and go to our top view. Bring this vertex out a little bit. And all you have to do is just kind of adjust everything until it fits the way you want the belt to fit. Now this only really works for the curved belt. The pre-made rigged one, you will have to use proportional editing a little bit to adjust the belt to your avatar, or you could just copy this away with the flat belt and then rig it yourself. That's not too necessarily hard. Just add a couple of bones, create an armature, and just do automatic weights. If you have trouble trying to get like a specific shape with your belt, you can always just subdivide between 2 points and then you have more control over like a little bit more detailed shape. I'm going to move this vertex back. This. Alright, I need to bring this out. And you're just gonna keep adjusting and moving vertices around until it fits. If you need to tilt or rotate a point, just hit Control T like that and rotate up or down. So if your pants are slanted, just hit Control T and you're good. And yeah, that's how you use a curve to add a belt or anything else really. You can do straps, you can do like new body straps to pants, anything you can really think of. Using curves is one of my favorite ways to add anything that's just kind of like that needs to be really straight and have like a really specific curve or shape to the object around a mesh that doesn't involve shrink wrapping. And yeah, that's how you add a belt to your model.